Good morning, students. Today we will study about a very special tool of MS Word. Consider a situation when you want to send an invitation to your friends and relatives. Then the problem is to print these letters because even though the main matter is same, but addresses and names of the recipients are different. So you have to open same document again and again and make changes. To solve this problem, MS Word provide us a facility which is known as mail merge. Mail merge is a tool which allow to create letters, labels and envelopes by linking a main document to a data source. Now we will talk about the components of mail merge. There are two main components of mail merge. First is main document and the other one is data source. Main document contains the matter which is same for each version of the merged document, whereas data source is a file that contains the information to be merged, such as name, addresses, etc. Now, how to create these letters? There are 6 steps involved in setting up a mail merge. We will discuss the steps one by one. The first step is to select the type of document. Open the document to be used for the mail merge. From the main menu, select Tools, Letters and Mailing and Mail Merge. Make sure you select Letters. Click on Next, starting document. The step 2 is setting up your letter. You should already have the document open that you want to work. Select Use Current Document. Click on Next, select Recipients to move to the step 3. In step 3, you have the choice of using an existing data file or to create a new list. For using the existing list, you have to select the option Use an existing list. Browse the location that contains the data file. The data will appear in a mail merge recipient box and you can move to the step 4. But if you want to create a new list, you have to select Type a new list option and click on to create. The new address data form will appear. To remove fields you don't need on the customized button, click on the field name and click on delete and finally click OK. Now that you are back in the address list box, click on new entry. Type in the required and use the tab key to move from one box to the next. When you have typed in your first address entry, click on new entry. When you have typed the final entry, click close. The save address list box will appear and you could choose where you want to save the address file and click the save button. So here your recipient list will be prepared and the mail merge recipient window will appear. This will show you the address list which you have make. Now next is write your letter. You move to the step 4. Here you have to insert the name and addresses for your data file into the letter. Highlight the existing name and address and click on address block in the task pane. The insert address box window will appear. Choose a suitable format for the recipient name and set the other option. Click OK. Before finally printing out the letter, you should go for previewing. You should see a preview of the letter with the address block and greeting line. Click on the arrow button next to the right of the recipient 1 to preview the other letters. Next, complete the merge and you will be able to you will be moved to the step 6, which helps you to complete the merge. Here you have to select all and click OK. A new document automatically appear with the file name letter 1. You must edit your individual letters to make sure the layout is correct. Now click on the first letter just before postcode and press enter. Repeat with the other letter. Click on file and save as, and give the name of your file and save. This was the whole process of the mail merge. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.